Welcome to CataList. In this video, we'll show you how to create and edit a custom catalog. A custom catalog is a list of titles that you can build in your own account, edit with your colleagues, and share with specific recipients. They're perfect for putting together lists of books by theme, subject, or any other grouping that is useful for your work. To get started, log in at bnccatalyst.ca. Anyone with a CataList account can create a custom catalog. If you haven't signed up for an account, go to the CataList homepage and request for an account. There are a few ways to create a custom catalog on CataList. First, you can create a custom catalog when viewing a title on the site. Click Add to Catalog and choose to create a new custom catalog. Second, when viewing a catalog, you can create a copy of it by clicking the Copy button in the Catalog toolbar. This brings you to the full catalog creation form with the ISBNs pre-populated in the text box. The third way of creating a custom catalog, which we will focus on for this tutorial, is by using your own ISBN list. For this method, click the My Page link. Then open the Catalog Creation options and click New Custom Catalog. Give your catalog a unique name. Then set up the editorial permissions. Private custom catalogs can be edited by you and your account managers. Collaborative custom catalogs are more open, so that anyone in your company can make changes to the catalog. Catalog recipients, however, are always only able to view the catalog after you've published it. Once you've set up the editorial permissions, add the ISBNs that you want to include. If you're a sales representative in a publisher account, you can choose to include the sets of titles that are already included in your existing seasonal catalogs. The second and third options are available to all CataList accounts. You can paste in a list of ISBNs. Each ISBN should be on its own line or separated by a comma. If you wish to add suggested quantities for the titles in your new custom catalog, you can upload those quantities in bulk along with the ISBNs. For the upload option, you should already have your suggested quantity file saved on your device. Your file should be in Excel or CSV format and include ISBNs in the first column of the spreadsheet. The second column should include the suggested quantity for the ISBN. Refer to our documentation to make sure that your file is formatted correctly. Click the link on the page to be directed to our documentation. When you're ready, browse for your file. Then select the checkbox to indicate that your file includes suggested quantities. After you've added the ISBNs, you can add additional information in the next section. Any of this information can be edited at a later time. Click Next and review the titles that will be added to your catalog. If you're adding suggested quantities, those values will also appear in the confirmed ISBNs list. After you've reviewed the information, click Next. In this step, you can choose the recipients for your custom catalog. Your recipients won't see your catalog until you've published it, but you could set them up ahead of time. Publishers could let everyone view their custom catalogs after they've been published. Account managers and catalog editors in a publisher account can also post custom catalogs onto the publisher landing page for more visibility. If you want to limit access to your custom catalogs to specific recipients, choose the Specific Recipients Only option. If the intended recipients have a CataList account and have opted into the CataList directory, look for the recipient's name in the search box and click Add. You can also add CataList accounts even if they haven't opted into the CataList directory. For this method, you will first need to add them to a contact list and then add that contact list as a recipient. If you plan to manually share notes for these titles, you can choose to automatically suggest your catalog recipients as the notes recipients for any new notes that you create in this catalog. We explain more about using contact lists and sharing notes in separate tutorials that are linked in the description below. When you're ready to proceed, click Save. Now that your catalog is created in draft status, you can view it immediately or go to My Page to see all of your account's catalogs. Let's view the catalog. You can review the content internally before sharing it with others on CataList. For example, you can remove any titles that you no longer need in the catalog by using the Delete button. If you want to add more ISBNs or make other changes to your catalog, click the Edit icon in the toolbar and choose what you'd like to edit. Click Edit Info to update the catalog properties. Fill in the form with the information that you wish to update and click Save. This is also where you can add more ISBNs or update the suggested quantities in bulk. To do so, upload your new suggested quantity file, click Next, and follow the on-screen instructions. You can go to the Organize tab to mark titles as featured or sort the titles in the catalog by a certain data point. In the Edit Recipients tab, you can add or update the accounts who are allowed to see the catalog. When you're ready to publish your catalog, go to the Publish tab. Click Publish Now and confirm that you wish to publish the catalog. If you want to let the recipients know that the catalog is available, you can send an automated email to those recipients. Or you could publish the catalog without sending that email. Your recipients will still be able to find the catalog in their account's catalog list. And there you have it. Your catalog is published and your chosen recipients can view it. Want to expand your CataList knowledge? Find links to related tutorial videos in the description below.